Today I'm going to be sharing with you some tips and tricks on how to improve your toe touch. Make sure to stay till number 6 because it's the best one. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. Go follow my Instagram and make sure to turn on notifications so you know when I post a new video. Tip number 1 is to do toe touch drills. These are my personal favorite. The following 6 are: the first drill is get into a straddle, lift each leg up 5 times, and then lean back a little bit and then pick both legs up. 2 is to lay down and then flick both feet up like I'm showing you here. Number 2 is to stretch. Stretching will greatly improve your toe touches because it will allow you to have a better range of motion with getting your legs up there high enough. The two best stretches that work for me, and I think will work for you too, are straddles and middle splits. I personally hate middle splits, but I make myself do them anyway because those are the best stretches ever for your toe touch. And once I've been doing them a little bit, my toe touches have improved so much from before. Tip number 3 is make sure your hands go behind your legs in a T. I cannot tell you how many times I've done them in front of my legs, and I did not know that you're not supposed to do them in front of your legs until about a year ago, because if your arms are in the way of your legs aren't going to go high enough. Like, your legs aren't going to go high. Number 4 is to practice your jump. Practice makes perfect. So you want to practice your jump as much as you can. Anytime you have any spare time, get off your phone, quit eating cookie dough, quit eating ice cream, quit eating junk, and go practice your toe touch, because practice will make your toe touch really good. Tip number 5 is to work on T-jumps. I will give you an example of T-jumps. T-jumps are when you clasp your hands together, set like you're doing a toe touch. Don't swing your legs up, but just jump, and you look like a T in the air. This will help you explode when you're jumping, so therefore your jumps are really, really high. I suggest doing at least 5 of these before you start working on your toe touch. The little tip I want to throw in there is make sure you wear shoes while you're doing your toe touch, okay? Shoes are amazing when you're cheering, okay? You want to make sure you have shoes on at all times when you're doing your jumps, because when you go down and when you do your jump and then when you come back down, your feet are slamming the ground pretty hard, and you want to have some protection. If you want to buy cheer shoes, go look at the link in my description, and it'll take you straight to Amazon, and you can go purchase your own cheer shoes. Number 6, the tip you guys have all been waiting for, is to make sure your technique is perfect, because if your technique is not good, even if you have a high jump, it's not going to look pretty. If you have a low jump but your technique is on point, your jump will look pretty. So make sure you have good technique, and good technique looks like pointed toes, straight legs, even arms. You'll see in the picture on the screen. This is what it looks like when your arms are even, and this is what it looks like when your arms are skewed, okay? You also want to make sure your chest is up and not down, and this will guarantee you a beautiful jump. I'm so happy you guys clicked on this video and I could help you today. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, go turn on post notifications, and go follow my Instagram at BellaGrace7609, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.